Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing. And it's a watch obviously, and it's gonna be it's called the JP2007-09W E168-E11. And it's part of the brand of the Aqualand Promaster series, or the Promaster in general. So yeah, enough chit chat. Let's look at it up, open it up, and see what's inside. Like now. Good. And look at this, folks. The size of a tank. I'll leave you the link in the description box for one of Random Rob's videos of the watch, but it's a different model. This particular one that you just heard me say, the E version, that would indicate this is from Europe. And why is it? You're going to see this in a moment. And also, I'll leave you for Working Man's Watches review for the particular one. And he talks about there's a PVD version worn by the French actor named Jean Reno, who would later play as Leon the Professional in the film The Professional, wearing a PVD version of that watch in a French movie called The Big Blue. So I'll leave you the link in the description box. So yeah, here it is, how it looks. Definitely a big scuba tank, and voila, voila. So yeah, this is indeed a European version. I didn't buy it at the Citizen Dolphin because unfortunately, this one right here is European version. They can sell it anywhere else. Depends if Citizen ever got one. So yeah, this is the model I told you about. This is very much crazier than the background version. There we go, folks. Here we go. There's the price, but I got a % off. Use some of my gift cards. So yeah, this is a JP2007-09W. But in here, it says it's much longer. There. So yeah, you heard me say European model, so this is what it looks like. Take this off. Very, very smooth silicone strap. And I'll get to that in a moment. The crown, the axis crown is how it is, like here, and it's got a sensor. Look at the features. Got your alarm on and off. So if you press here, this will indicate the alarm is on. You see the little eye candy right there, and then you turn it off, and it says dive. Wow. You got your stopwatch. You press this for the split, and you continue. Oh, you just press that anyway. There. Stopwatch. Date and month. That ain't the right date for the record. Okay, so let's get some stuff straight. Alarm, stopwatch, month and date. So yeah, back to where we were. That indicates seconds. There we go. Hold on a sec. Alright, tag's been removed. Okay. Very silicone strap. And this is this year's model, by the way. There have been various ones over the many years, including the basic silver version, the stainless steel version with the blue face, and I don't know if they have it in black steel. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anybody that's had or have these, let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'll leave you the link in the description box for adjusting from another YouTuber, a fellow watch collector. So yeah, admire the watch, admire the design. Very unique. And this would indicate about diving. Let me see if there is more to it. It would tell about diving, or in this case doesn't measure dives, but it is a unique piece. With that, let's take a look how it looks on my wrist. The sparky wrist, as a matter of fact. Very big silicone strap. Citizen. So it would fit about amount of holes to the top. Because I'm a very large one. Hold on, folks. 5 holes. Since it is silicone, it could slide. But if you adjust it a little bit more, 6 holes. And it does feel kind of snuggy into the wrist. And also, like I said earlier, this is definitely for from the European market. So yeah, I'll leave you another link in the description box from a fellow watch collector that says it correctly. The green version or the glow-in-the-dark versions definitely have European feel. And yeah, they're exclusively only to the European market. So yeah, the basic ones you can still find it here in the US, but the glow-in-the-dark ones that you're watching, like the one here, or any other ones, look up the ones that are European market, that are in the European market. So yeah, very good dive watch of its time. Oh, and did I forget the little resistance? Bezel action, y'all. Bezel action. One more. Voila. So yeah. Okay. So out of the way, let's play a song from 2024 to play a music for this watch. Like right now. Let's go. Alrighty, folks. So here we're going to be playing a song called Ready to Roll by Mick Mars. That's M-I-C-K. That's M-I-C. That's the name. M-I-C Mars with the hit song Ready to Roll. Enjoy, folks. That was Mick Mars with the hit song Ready to Roll, released this year in 2024. So, folks, what do you think of the watch? What do you think of the song? Tell me what's your opinion. If you like content like this or other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the contents? Comments down below. So yeah, and I'm often posting what time I post a video in the YouTube community, whether it be the early afternoon hour or early after morning hours or the afternoon hours or the early evening hours, to tell you what time does this video start at on the day of that I posted. And of course to notify to check out the time. Keep an eye on that. So yeah, anything related. Especially links for any other early videos or pre-order videos I might be doing. Keep an eye on that as well. Plus, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, video game collectors, and all you collectors out there. Especially shouts to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all. So yeah. So anyways, y'all. This is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Happy holidays and Feliz Navidad. Enjoy Sunday, y'all. And later.